welcome to this week's video. So today's video that you're going to see is actually from a few days ago when I redid my roots. So I bleached them all out. So I managed to rope my boyfriend in to do the back of my head, and I also forgot to film exactly how I made up my bleach, though I do go through that a little bit, but not step by step as I actually created it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So whenever I'm bleaching my hair, the first step that I take is putting coconut oil all over the area where I'm going to be applying the bleach. Basically just gives my hair an extra layer of protection so that the bleach doesn't cause excess amounts of damage. So what I'm going to do first is apply a liberal layer of coconut oil all over my roots. I'm also going to bring it down through the strands of my hair as well, just in case any bleach gets on the previously bleached areas. And this will just allow me to save my hair's integrity, basically.
One hour later.
So for my bleach mix today, I used the Agora Vario Blonde, same as I did last time I bleached my hair, and I paired that with the 30 vol Agora developer. I'm denied about doing a 20 vol, but I decided I'd just do the one lot because I wanted my boyfriend to help me do the back of my head. So I used about 2 scoops and I made a really thick bleach. I actually made way too much. This is the leftover stuff here after I've done my hair, which I'm kind of okay with because I was able to then go through my hair halfway through the bleach time and just pad out those extras without having to make extra up or do anything like that. It has gone a bit foamy now. Oh yeah, that's what we used. So I was lucky enough that my boyfriend agreed to help me do the back of my head for this roots bleaching. So then what I did after that was I just like to try and get my hair in as nice a way as possible that's easy to work with. So using my wide tooth comb, I'm just going to comb it through and section it off into multiple sections so it's easier to work with. And I'm then going to apply the bleach directly just to the roots and making sure that I don't get it on the previously bleached parts of my hair, just to limit the amount of damage and breakage that the bleach will cause. So I'm just going to go over my entire head, making sure that I get all of my regrowth. So I have my handy dandy tinfoil hat on. I have had the bleach in my hair now for about half an hour. I just went through it and found a few dark spots and reapplied the bleach around, trying to mitigate that the line between the regrowth and the other bleach. So I'm going to leave it on for another 5 or so minutes, and then I'm going to jump in the shower and we'll wash it out and we will see. So I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so I'm just about to wash out my hair, so we'll take it out of this wrap. Whoa. Let's see where we're at. I think it looks pretty good. I went through it just before and put on a little bit more in the places where it was lacking, tried to get that demarcation line fudged out, and just tried to stop all the the little brown bits from sneaking through. So have a look. It's very nice and warm. You can see the rose in my hair is making it look really brown. Yeah, so I think we're there. It'll be quite red underneath, I think. So let's wash it out and then turn it. Oh. Alright. So I'm out of the shower. Shall we reveal it? Hey! I'm blonde! I'm very impressed actually. There's a bit of like oranginess in it. But overall, I think we did really well. Crazy. Okay, so now I think we need to tone out these roots a little. Or should I just put straight rose gold on top? Let's have a look. Alright, so now I'm going to tone my hair, and I'm going to tone it using the Wella Color Charm in T18. I'm going to use half a bottle of this and double that with 20 volume cream peroxide. So I'm just mixing that up in my little hair baby bowl. And I'm going to focus mainly on the roots, but we'll probably do the lengths as well, just to try and get that demarcation line to be as smooth as possible. Though I do have some pink hints in my hair at the moment, so that'll be fun to see how that reacts. Alright, gloves on. My scalp is like, please, no more developer. But these yellowy ginginess bits need to go. Got to go. So now I'm going to leave it on for about 10-15 minutes, and I have a little shower cap to pop over my head while it does its thing. Beautiful. So I'm out of the shower, I have put the toner through my hair, and this is our end result. So the toner didn't really do much to help this line of demarcation right here. It's still quite like yellow and then like a bit of a ginge before it goes into the rest. So I'm going to let my hair sit for probably about a week or so, and then maybe I'll put some rose gold through it and just try to make the most of all these gold tones. It has made the pink in my hair kind of like a nice lavender, which I'm not mad at. So here we are, bleaching my roots at home without any damage to my hair, and it all looks great. I'm very happy with the outcome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me do that, and please stick around and see my next videos. Bye!